Step 1 is going to be to pour 50 milliliters of water into our plastic bag, and we are going to seal our bag. Step 2 is to find 50 milliliters of water, and we are going to leave it here. For step 3, we are going to measure 10 grams of magnesium sulfate. So we're going to use our scale to do that. We have a little bit too much. Alright, so now we have our 10 grams of magnesium sulfate. For step 4, we're going to take our 10 grams of the magnesium sulfate and add it to our 50 milliliters of water. And I'm going to stir it together. If you take a look, our measuring tool here is 32 grams, so we need to make sure that we subtract that from our mass of the magnesium sulfate solution. If you take a look, it says that our solution in our measuring cup here are 85 grams. So if we do 85 minus 32, we have 53 grams for our magnesium sulfate and our water. We are now going to find 10 grams of sodium carbonate. The mass of our plastic bag and our 50 milliliters of water is 52 grams. We are going to see what happens to the mass when we add our sodium carbonate. We are now going to add our sodium carbonate to our plastic bag of water. I am going to seal the bag, and I'm going to shake it up. What do you see happening here? We are now going to find the mass of our water with our sodium carbonate. You are going to record the mass of this solution as 64 grams. We are now going to add our two solutions together and see what happens. So I'm going to carefully put this in our bag. I'm going to seal the bag, and I'm carefully going to dump this solution in. And what do you see happening? You're going to record your observations. What color is it? It seems to have gotten a lot thicker from our original. The mass of our two solutions is 116 grams. You are going to record that in your data table.